This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking the physical receipt you received at drop-off or pickup today. Look at the top and bottom for a long alphanumeric tracking number. Next, search your email for a shipment confirmation from J&T or the seller. Open the J&T app and tap Orders to see recent shipments and their tracking numbers. Also check SMS messages for numeric strings sent after booking. Keep the tracking number handy for the next lookup steps on web or app. Open the official J&T tracking page in your browser and find the tracking field. Copy and paste the tracking number exactly as shown on your receipt or email. Press Track or Submit to load real-time status and location history. If you bought from a marketplace, open your order page and copy the tracking number directly from the seller. Refresh results after a few minutes to capture any recent scans or timestamped updates in the tracking history. If you cannot find a tracking number, call J&T customer service with your order or receipt details. Provide the pickup date, sender name, and delivery address to help agents search records. Contact your seller and request that they resend the tracking number or provide shipment proof. As a last resort, visit your local J&T branch in person with ID and parcel information to retrieve tracking details. Keep notes of reference numbers and agent names for follow-up and dispute resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.